Everyone, I am Mohini. This alarm clock application was given to me as an assignment by Coding Ninja. Here you can see my link posted on GitHub along with my codes. And first we'll see how the alarm work. So yeah, this is my alarm clock, and we'll set the time. So right now it's 10:36 p.m. So I'll set 10 10:37 and 20 seconds. So set alarm. So we have to make wait approx 5 seconds. Yeah. After 5 seconds, we'll check it's working or not. So it's working properly, and and at one time, I'll show you. We are setting multiple alarms simultaneously. You can see I have to set three different alarm, and now according to it, it will alert us. So it's 10:37, 56. So we said 10:38. So not 38. Yeah, 10:38 p.m. set fastly. It's 10:40. It's 20 seconds. Okay, set okay. And I want to set 11. Set alarm. So at one time I'll set multiple alarms. So it will alert according to 38, 20. Uh, let uh, let us now go to the coding part. Mm, Coding part on my GitHub account. Uh, please see this HTML, CS, and JavaScript code. In this code, everything is written properly. Please read the code carefully to understand it better. So in this HTML part, I'll show you. This is my HTML code, and the setting is set alarm, delete alarm, set alarm, and my CSS code. And this CSS code is using for basically styling to give different style to code, look our code look better. And JS file. JS file is used to add incentives elements that engage the users. In this JS, you see I have set minutes, hours, and seconds, and AM, PM functions. All the functions are present in JS folder. So you can see AM, PM settings, yeah, and creating alarm time, button clicks, and to say functions check, read time alarm. Okay, so this is my JS file, and I'll show you the image also, image JPG. This is the image, and it's MP3, alarm MP3. And this is my hosted link. Through this link, you access my project work very easily on the one click. So this is my project work, alarm clock. Thank you so much.